Hey, Bobby Harris again, back at you, man. You know I love you so much. I got to keep coming at you, and I won't let you go. You ever felt like, and I have an answer. You do know this is answers for our addiction. The answer for how to change your desires. Have you ever heard a testimony like this? You know, I found Jesus, and when I accepted him in my life, I didn't have any more taste. I didn't have the taste in my mouth anymore. The taste left me. Yeah, that's not my testimony. When I accepted Christ in my life, I still had this struggle, man, and I still had the aroma of drugs. I could smell it, man. I mean, every now and then I could smell the alcohol. I could, you know, it bothered me, man, and I had a struggle with it. But I discovered how to change my desires. I found it in God's Word. In Psalm 37, verses 4 and 5. And here's what it says. It says, delight yourself in the Lord. Not stuff, not things, not deliverance. No, not in kicking my habit. See, don't get so tied up into kicking your habit. Delight yourself in the Lord. When you delight yourself in the Lord, here's what he said he would do. And he will give you your desires of your heart. When you give God your heart and you get crazy about him, he will change your desires. Then he says this. He said, if you commit your way to the Lord and trust in him, he will bring your desires to pass. God, man, that's the deliverance. I have to quit listening to mini-me, my voice that keeps telling me how to get deliverance my own way. If I delight in him, he'll give me his desires. Hey, God bless you, and hisspaceonline.org. You know it. Check me out. God bless you. Have a great day.